Thank you for participating in this study challenge. Here's a question from the USABO Semifinal exam June 24, 2020. Please drop a like, comment, share this out, and subscribe as we continue to do USABO together. Okay, so you have this gTTS gene of unknown function that's in mice and associated with kidney injuries. So if you knock out this gene gTTS and then analyze the urine by doing an SDS Page and Kumasi staining, you can visualize the proteins. And when you compare the knockout to the wild type, you notice that there's a lot more staining in gTTS, meaning there's a lot more protein in the urine. So what that means is that any protein that is being filtered out of the blood is not being taken back up as efficiently by endocytosis. Endocytosis would involve the plasma membrane, of course. So gTTS could be localized to the plasma membrane. The other choices are nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria and Golgi. Well, those are all organelles to the inside of the eukaryotic plasma membrane. Plasma membrane forms a barrier with the environment. So the correct choice would be plasma membrane. Thank you for participating in this study challenge.